Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. I posted a few little videos of it on Snapchat and a few of you really liked it, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do it, and I'm just crossing my fingers that it comes out the way it's always been coming out and that it comes out nice. So I was a little too close to my face. I wanted to zoom out a little bit. But yeah, I like using the TRESeme heat protectant. Hey, get away from there. That's hot. I also really like the way it smells. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do this all over my hair. And then I'm just going to comb through my hair to make sure I don't have any knots, as well as just distributing the product everywhere. My hair's really tangled at the bottom. Okay. I'm gonna try and scoot this back a little bit more. Only because I want my hair to like show when I curl it, so it's not just like half of it. Okay, so the curling iron I use is this one. It's a Conair curling iron, and I actually got it at Target for I think about $20. It has the clamp thingy, but I honestly don't know how to use that, so I just use it without the clamp, basically like a wand. I just don't like the wand. So yeah, I use this. I like the barrel size. I don't know what it is, unfortunately. Oh, it says right here, it's a 1-inch barrel. So the curlier you want your curls, you'll want to use a smaller barrel or a thinner barrel, and the bigger you want your curls, or if you want more of like waves, that's where you would go for a thicker barrel. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So I always start off with this side for some reason. I don't know why. I think I have more hair on this side. Relax. Okay. So I always like it as hot as it can be, so I put it on just the regular power and then turbo. So I always curl away from my face because I feel like it makes my face look more round when it's going towards my face. So again, I go away, and I also don't start off too high. I kind of start off halfway, or about 3/4 of my hair. And yeah, I just wrap it around it and I hold it for a couple seconds. And then I release it. I kind of just squish it a little bit in my hand, and then I drop it. And then whenever I'm done with the curl, I like to just throw it back. And then again, I'm just going to do the same thing. And this video will probably be just me curling a few pieces and then just fast forward through the whole thing, because there's no point in you just sitting here staring at me do my whole head. So I'll do my whole left side, and then I'll also show you how I do the front, because I do the front just a little bit different. And then my right side, I'll probably do off camera just because it's kind of a waste. I don't know, I haven't thought about it yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna curl this, and I'm gonna stop talking so it can fast forward now. Okay, so now I am at I really hope I'm in frame. I am at the front of my hair. Real quick, I need to just do this little piece because it snuck away. Again, I'm not good at hair at all, as you can tell. Okay, so I always just leave like a good chunk that I can split into two. So I'll just split into two right down the middle. And this is the one where I'll hold it sideways and I'll wrap it around directly on the barrel. But I'm not going to hold it for too long. So just like something like this. Again, just throw it back. And then the last piece, I'll start off just a little bit lower. But I really want to emphasize like a curl right here, because I want it to just like, I don't know how to explain it, just curl right there and just blow out, you know what I mean?
Leo, Hank, stop it.
So like that. And again, I'll just hold it for a little bit. And then let it go. So this is my whole left side. I actually think I'm just gonna go ahead and curl the right side off of camera. I'll just come back on and just do the last front pieces, and then I'll show you what to do or I'll show you what I do to get them not so curly and more just like blown out waves. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, but look how cute my dog looks sleeping. Leo. He's always slept like that, like he just curls up and has his feet up in his face. I don't know, I think it's cute. He like rolls up into a little ball. Looks like he's diving. Anyways, back to the video. It's a little harder doing this side because I'm right-handed, so it's awkward holding the barrel with my left hand. But I try to make it work. And again, I don't care if it's like perfect. As long as it's something other than my crazy natural hair, which is just a frizzy mess. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and just go over any other curls that I feel like aren't curly enough for me. Because I still want them to be pretty curly since I'm trying to make them last throughout the whole day, and because I am going to end up brushing them out, so you know that kind of like what's the word, loosens the curl, so there's no point in it loosening a loose curl, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and redo anything that I feel like I've missed. Just take a comb that looks like this. I've had this comb for years. I got it at Ulta a long time ago, and it's really strong. Like, knock on wood, it hasn't broken. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and just take a comb, and I comb through it just once, so I don't like sit there and do it. I try and do it in like 3 or 4 sections, so I'm not doing it all in one. So I'll go like 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then same with the other side. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. My hair is so like tangled at the bottom. So this is how it will come out. Again, not super curly, but some like big waves. Stay away from that. Some type of like big waves. And since I have frizzy hair and it just has a mind of its own, I use this hair oil that my sister got me for Christmas. It's, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's OUAI Hair Care, and it's a hair oil. It's like a serum, you know? So I just do like 2 pumps and I rub it in both my hands. And then I'll just pretty much lay out the frizzies and all the little baby hairs. Doesn't like get rid of everything, but it still kind of does an okay job. And then I'll also use a hairspray. The only one I have is a stronghold one, extreme hold. It's a number 4, the Aussie one. But again, this is all I have. So I go ahead and just spray it from afar, you know, like not too close because I don't want it to be crunchy. So I'll just go like that. I'll also get the top and then go like this real quick if I feel like I've missed any like baby hairs or whatever. And I think he wants to say hi because he keeps sitting on my feet. Can you look at the camera? Can you say hi? This is the one who's terrified of my Morphe palette. I'm not really sure why, but he hates it. I posted that video on Instagram. Can you say hi? Look at the camera right there. No? But yeah. That is pretty much how I curl my hair. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and if you're going to try it. You can leave any other requests down below, anything you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be coming out with more videos. I still have to get everything situated. But again, I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, I guess I'll just see you on my next one. Bye.